Hey everyone, this is Abram with the Mobile Lube Service. Here we are out here at Methodist University. I have one of my customers who was having an issue with his vehicle. He said it would start up, but then it would cut off. After we arrived on the location, we noticed that everything seemed to be as it should be. Put my jump pack on and the vehicle started up, no problem. Checked the system, it was charging at around 14.1 volts. Everything looked as it should be, right? So after checking a few connections, because like I said, my customer said that the car started up and then cut right back off. After going through a few preliminary checks, I noticed that here on the alternator, here's a couple, the wiring harness here. I noticed that if I moved your wiring harness just a little bit like this right here, I noticed that the system would go from charging from 14.1 volts down to not charging at all. So the vehicle was running solely off the battery, which is what my customer had mentioned earlier, that the battery light came or whatnot. So typically that is an issue either with your battery or your charging system. So like I said, after we came over, I went ahead and disconnected the battery. Came back over here, popped the boot off here, and as you can see, this boot is actually burnt. So it has a hole in it. It means it was arcing over and burning a hole in it. Actually, after I pulled this off, I noticed that this was a broken connection, leading to the no charging of the system, thus running my customer's battery dead. So we got down to this issue, guys. Simple things like this could cause a world of trouble. So if you guys are having an issue like this, maybe need an issue like this resolved, be sure to give us a call at 910-474-3687. We're going to go ahead and get this customer back on the road today. Thanks, guys.